So, it's time to get your vaccination. But have you ever wondered how a vaccine is made and manufactured? There are multiple methods to produce vaccines to treat infectious disease: viral or bacterial processes, recombinant proteins, or mRNA, just to name a few.
Kua taimi ke huhu malu'i ka kua ke whiwhiri pe kuanga fefe hono ngā hui mo whau o vaccini pe huhu malu'i. Ka ulahi a ngai whaunga ki hana whau o ngai vaccini ke whaitau aki ai mahak pipihi. Hange ka recombinant proteins pe mRNA aia ko ni ihi pe eni.
Now, we are going to focus on the viral vector platform. Viral vectors are viruses that are genetically engineered to create vaccines. The adenovirus, for example, is a frequently used viral vector. It is genetically engineered to carry the genetic coding of the pathogen's antigen so that it can cause the body to produce antigens.
Ia tau tokanga taha he taimini ke viral vector platform. Ko viral vector ko u vailasi ko engineer e whakasinetiki ke ne whau ai huhu malu'i. Whakatata be hange ko mea ko eni ko e adenovirasi. Ko ha viral vector ia o whaangawe aki. O ku engineer e whakasinetiki ia ke heka tuai a genetic coding o siemu. Pea ke ne whau, ke ne whakawhipaki e mahaki ke lawa ke whau e sinoha entiseni.
An antigen is a molecule present at the surface of the pathogen that can be recognized by our immune system to then generate an immune response. Viral vectors are genetically modified, meaning they are harmless and do not cause disease. However, not all viruses can be used as viral vectors. Candidate viruses must be well characterized, easily and safely produced, and must induce long-lasting immunity.
Ko entiseni ko molecule ia o ai o lunga he funga o siem whakatumahaki, ke lawa ke whakatokanga i ho tau immune systemi, pia ke lawa ai ke whakatupu ha immune ke ne talia ai mahaki o kuhu ki he sino. Ko viral vector ku osliliu a hano whaunga sino tuku whakaholo o uhinga eni o ku ikai whakatupu tāmaki, pia o ku ikai ke ne whakatupu ha mahaki. Neongo ia o ku ikai ko vailas ko toa pe e lawa ke ngawe aki ko quantitative viral vectors. Ko pau ke whaingo fua hana whakawhaahinga u wailasi, pia whau ke hao, pia kua pau ke ne whakatupu ha immunity, pe hivi malawa o mea mo ui, ke ne whawhipaki ha kona pe mahaki e tolonga loloa.
Once the viral vector has been selected, the development and manufacturing process begins. We can do this easily as we know the host cells, how to infect them, how the virus multiplies in a bioreactor, and how to purify the viral vector. For each disease, the manufacturing process remains mostly the same, but the genetic information inserted in the viral vectors differs. This allows for faster development of new vaccines.
Ko taimi ko whiri ai viral vector, ko ne kamata ai prosesi ke na whau mo ngahi e whaita o malu'i. O kulawa ke whaingo fua e tau whakahako e ni, he ko tau os ilo ai host cells, ia moeanga hono whakapihia ki nau tolu. O kuanga fefe liu ai vailasi i he pai o reactor, ia anga fefe hano whakamaa ai viral vector o mahak tak taha. Ko lahi taha ai whaunga whau tak taha, e kei tuu tatau pe, ka e kehe e whakamatala whakasine tiki e whakahu ke ngai viral vectors. O kutofa heni ai hala ke waweange anga hano whau o ngai vaccine.
Producing the vaccine candidate is only one of the steps in the challenge. The vaccine must now go through rigorous regulation and clinical trials to evaluate its efficacy and safety. Once approved, the vaccine is ready for patients. When the vaccine is injected into a patient, the viral vector enters the cell and uses it to produce the antigen, converting the body into a mini factory. The immune system then recognizes and memorizes this antigen, which prevents further infection as your body knows how to fight the pathogen. To learn more about vaccine process development and manufacturing, visit our website www.sartorius.com/vaccine-development.
hono whao koe o vaccine candidate, pe ko candidate vaccine, ko taha pe ia o ngahi sitepu, o ngahi pole, ko pau ke fōua e vaccine, he taimini o fōua ke u ahi, ko tu ni, mo whakakliniki, ke wakai a hono ola lelei mo ne hao. Ko taimi be e tali ai, pe ko hono teu le vai e vaccine ke kaumahaki. Ko taimi be o huhu ia e whaito o malu'i ki ha mahaki, o huhu ai viral vector ki he sela, pe ali whakaaonga ia ke whao ai CM antiseni, o ne liliu ai sino ki haki i mini factory, pe ki ngawe anga si. I whakatoka ngā i lewa e immune systemi, pe ane manatu i ai CM antiseni ko eni o ne malu'i ai hatoi pihia, e kua ilo e ho sino, e whaunga ki hona fuhu i ai CM pathogeni. Ahia e ma website ka go ke fie ilo lahi ki e whaunga hana whao mo ngahi e vaccine.